We are pleased to show you the 2015 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.